Say good morning. 6 a.m. Saturday, February 6th. It is still coming down. It's our car buried out there. Fire hydrant. Fence. All the way up to the front door. Wow. Still coming down. That's the fire pit and the picnic table. And Cleo wants to say hi. Okay, it's now about 11:30. I don't know if you can tell, but the snow is basically as tall as our trash can back there. That's the picnic table, so that's a good measure. I'm going to say 2 feet plus. This is the fire pit, totally buried. Pond, totally buried. This is the path that Kerr shoveled already this morning. You can see, yeah, there's still a path there, definitely, but sort of filling in a little bit. Neighbor's car, fire hydrant. Really, we got some of the snow off the branches, but there's a lot, and it is still coming down. There's also some dude, I don't know if you can hear this, but there's some guy on a balcony in that apartment building across the street yelling about how his supervisor made a schedule and he's supposed to be at work, but he can't get there, and someone is clearly not getting the severity of this storm. Anyway. Okay. Happy winter. Okay, here's our parting shot for the day. I think the snow has finally stopped, so we're gonna call the picnic table our best guess at total depth. I'm gonna say that's 2.5 feet. We'll have to get up there with a yardstick. Anyway, there's basically a flat plane between our front door and our neighbor's porch. So that porch is at least 5 steps up. There's some pretty good icicles going. Oh no, it's kind of gorgeous. It's supposed to be really sunny tomorrow. We'll see if any of it melts. But regardless, I'm looking forward to a real walk. We did venture out. We made it across the street for some hot chocolate, and we came home. Okay, and finally the day after. It's gorgeous. Tons of sun. The snow came down off the awning in huge sheets this morning. Kerr is attacking the road shoveling project with a vengeance. He's got a little help, but not everybody's out. Kerr, say hi. Hi. Crazy husband. We are officially in a blizzard warning, I believe.
Tripp's parking spot is clear.
Did he do that or did you do that?
I did that.
Unfortunately with this camera it's hard to see how hard it's coming down.
This is mild.
Okay, tough guy.
I have the wand of Hercules.
What, your shovel?
Yes.
Just don't hurt yourself. Oh my gosh. You can barely see our fence.